Back to our channel.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a closure sew-in. Now this video isn't really a detailed video, but if you guys would like a more in-depth video, please let me know in the comment section below and I will give it to you. Now I've already braided down her hair, and now you just see me apply the ball cap and the net, and I'll come back to you guys. And this video was bold hole active, as you can see, and if you guys have any more glues you would like me to test out for you guys, just comment down below and I'll look into it, because I really do want to have a variety of glues to pick from. Now I want to have a dedicated video on glues because I've learned a lot of things and I really want to share it with you guys. But all I'm doing right now is applying 3 layers and spreading it out, and you guys make sure your layers turn clear before you apply the next layer. It kind of looks like I didn't, but I actually did. It was just because the cap was so light. Here's the new technique I tried. I glued down the closure first, then I sprayed it with the lace tint, and I kind of did like this technique. But if you don't know how to use the glue properly or lace tint properly, then I wouldn't advise you do it on the client. I would want you to test it out first. I like this technique, y'all. But the lace tint I used was from Lace Tint Queens, and I used the color medium brown and dark brown because I think medium brown still left a little cast around her hair. But you just have to play with them to get the correct shade. some. I took the wrap off and I proceeded to lay her edges. I lay her edges with Apple G wrap lotion, and then I just wrapped her edges back up and let them sit to dry. After I do that, I'm going to sew in the bundles, but I did not do it on camera, and I'm going to come to you guys with the ending result. And please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think.